Hello everyone and welcome. It's Himang, back today with the more compact Water 101 topic. Why is it compact? Well, today we're tackling the question, do I really need separate water filtration systems to deliver the right water recipe for each of my food service machines? As we've covered in other Water 101 videos, each food service application, like ice, cold beverage, steamers, and coffee machine, does have different water quality needs. And that could mean having separate filtration system installations for each application in different places in your location that may be difficult to reach or hidden. Not ideal when you have to perform periodic checks or filter replacements. But this is where things get compact. There are alternative solutions called multi-equipment filtration systems. These systems may make it possible to centralize and simplify your filtration by supplying quality water to all of your food service equipment using just one system. Here is an example of a 3M DP260 dual-port multi-equipment filtration system. It has two product water outlets. The right one provides the water for ice and coffee, while the left one is for cold beverages. Both product water streams are filtered through these two 3M high-flow HF60 filters. But only the right water stream also passes through this extra HF8S cartridge to reduce scale for ice and coffee applications only. That's just one example of how a single system can provide water for multiple different uses. We offer many systems that can also address equipment such as steamers, cold beverage dispensers, and more, all in a single product. Now, all the replacement filters are located in one spot for easy filter changes and service. You can't miss them. Plus, this system is expandable. As your business grows and water usage increases, you can switch from the smaller HF60 filters to the higher capacity HF90 filters during your filter change cycle. Note how our sanitary quick change design makes for an easy change out and reduces the risk of water spill and contamination. That's another perk of using a 3M multi-equipment system. Just like that, you've added about 50% more capacity without even having to install a new system. Need to expand even more? No problem. Just use the expansion head to easily convert the existing one filter system to a two filter system, 2 to a 3, and 3 to 4. You get the idea. The expandable head allows you to remove clips and the end fittings and easily slide it into the existing heads. Reinstall the clips and end fittings, and now you have converted from a two filter system to a three filter system. That's all we have time for today. But if you want to learn more on how a compact, centralized multi-equipment system can help you save space, time, and money while delivering quality water, visit us at 3mfoodservice.com.